Hey, this is Dennis with the Falcon's View, and today we're going to take a look at a drone landing pad. And it comes in a nice bag, and when you pull it out, this metal wire frame on the outside will help it just pop right open real nice for you, right? Now the big question is, how in the world do you get this thing back in the shape that it was so it fits back in that bag? So you see a lot of people don't know how to do that, and they always go around with their landing pad just like this. But hey, if you want to save some space, how do you get it right back? Well, this is how you can do that, okay? Do the best I can to show it to you. By all means, go back on the video to watch it again. But what I would suggest you do is you take your hands, okay, you grab on the outside, but you're going to be in opposite directions, right? So you have one hand just holding it regular, the other hand you can twist it around, and you'll grab onto it. And what we're going to do is twist our hands in opposite directions, okay? So this hand will bend this way, and the other hand will bend this way. So basically the one hand bend towards you, and the other hand bend away from you. So we're going to twist our hands, and as we twist our hands, we're going to push them in close to each other, okay? And be careful when you do that. You don't want to force it such that it's going to cause damage to the metal frame, but it should have a natural feel to it as it just wants to go form right back to the way it was. Okay, let's take a look at that. So again, I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to bend them in opposite directions. And as you do that, it's going to start to form the circle that you want and go together. Okay, let's take a look at that again. Now here's the other trick too, okay? And it should feel natural as you do this, okay? So I'm going to bend my hand, twist my hands. As I do that, you see this flap on this side right here, down here, it's to my right, your left. It's going to twist and it's going to tuck inside. So I'm kind of pushing it together, and it's going to tuck on the inside, and it's going to start to form a circle. Okay? Let's try that again from the side. I'm going to twist it. And as I do that, notice that this side right here, I'm going to tuck it on the inside of the other side, okay? I'm going to twist, and it's going to go in here, and it feels real natural, just trying to make a circle, and you might have to adjust it a little bit. So did you catch what I did there? If you have to, go back in the video, pause it, watch it again. You can get it. It's not bad once you get onto it, but I hope that helps you out. It's ready to stuff back into the bag, and there you go. Thank you so much.